Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Ulta and Sephora haul. I only got one thing from Sephora, so it's mainly going to be a Ulta haul. Also, my leggings came in today from Amazon, so I thought I would show you guys that as well. And so yeah, if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and jump into it. Oh my gosh, guys, just ignore my hair today. I'm having a bad hair day. If you're wondering about my makeup though, I did film this makeup look, so you'll be seeing that really soon on my channel. So I'm first going to start off by showing you the stuff that I got from Ulta. Okay, so the first products I got were the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This was a part of a beauty steal, and I think they're usually $18 around there, and they were on sale for $10.50, so a really good deal. And I've really been liking these colors. Usually I'll try out lipsticks at work, and if I like them, I'll end up buying them. So I got the color Sellout and Suck It. Suck It is a more dark mauve color, and the packaging on these liquid lipsticks are absolutely beautiful. So that is what Suck It looks like, and I just love their packaging. And let me go ahead and swatch it for you. Now, this formula is super matte. It kind of reminds me of the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, if you're wanting to know like how the formula is. And that is what the color Suck It looks like. Super pretty. And the reason I like this color is because it's like a more mauve berry color, but it's not too pink to where it's like super berry. It's like a neutral berry, if that makes any sense. And then the next color I got is a nude, but it's more of a darker warm nude. It's actually what I'm wearing right now, and this is in the color Sellout. And I just like these nudes for days where I still want to have like a neutral soft eye, but I want to pop on the lip, but nothing too crazy. And so this is perfect for it. And also you could wear it with the smoky eye as well, and it kind of just like goes with a lot of looks. So that is why I picked this one up. We also got some samples in here. So I got the Skin Laundry Extra Deep Gel Face Wash. And then we got a replica fragrance, and I thought this was a women's fragrance when I ordered it, but it actually ended up being a cologne, and it's called At the Barber's. I guess I didn't read the name because obviously the name gives it away that it's a cologne, but I gave it to Kristen and he really likes it. And then the last sample that I got is this Dior Forever Undercover Nude Foundation, and I've really been wanting to try this. I heard lots of good things, so I saw this as a sample and I was like, heck yeah, of course I'll try it out. And it comes with the color light beige and medium beige, so hopefully one of these will match me. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a first impression over it, but yeah, I got that. And the last thing I got from Ulta actually came today in this giant box, and it's only one little thing, and they sent this huge box for it. So crazy, Ulta. I don't understand why they didn't just package it like the Amazon packages or something. I don't know. Maybe they only have boxes at their place. Okay, so what I picked up from online was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I've been wanting to try this for so long, and I've literally tried going to every Ulta near me, and they're all sold out, or they say they carry it but then they don't have it, and it's just really hard to get your hands on. So this is supposedly supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. Hopefully this color matches me, because like I said, it took forever just to get my hands on this, and I got it in the color C6. I can't wait to try this. Let me know if you guys want a video over this, or if you want like it to be shown in a video and me just showing you my first impressions. But it has really cute packaging. I love the rose gold. Let's go ahead and see the color. So it has that big fat wand like the Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, that looks like it's gonna be a nice color. Yeah. I'm so excited to try this out. Hudson, he's literally playing with the box right now. Look at him, guys. He's inside the Ulta box. Why, Hudson? Why does he do this? He loves the Ulta boxes. Don't you, babe? It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, you're heavy. You can play with the box, but be quiet. So that is what the color C6 looks like. It is looking like it's starting to oxidize. So hopefully this will be a nice color for me. It looks pretty full coverage. Okay, so we got some samples in this package as well. So we got a shampoo and conditioner from the Coconut Miracle Oil line. And then we got this new matte undercovered Velvet Matte Skin Tint Broad Spectrum SPF from NARS. Ooh, Hudson. And I got the color medium 1, so interesting. I'm gonna try that out. So like I said, I only got one thing from Sephora, and it was this lipstick. This is the Urban Decay Christine Leanne Vice lipstick in the color Bun Bun. Ever since this color came out, I wanted it so bad, but we sold out at my work so fast, and we never got it back in stock, and so I never got to pick it up, so I thought that was like my only chance to buy it. But then I saw it on Sephora's website, and they have it on sale, and it's on sale still till this day. It's only I think it's $8.50. I got it for $8.50. That's like drugstore prices, and I was already like planning to buy this lipstick full price, and it being on sale, I was like, yes, add to cart. And this is the only thing I ordered because I do get free shipping with Sephora. I wish Ulta did that. I wish Ulta like gave you free shipping if you were a platinum member, just like Sephora gives you free shipping if you're a VIP. But then also Ulta's reward system is so much better, so yeah, they both have their pros and cons. But yeah, I love this color. I wore it so much at work just using the tester. I would clean it all the time and wear it just because I loved it that much. So it's basically already a favorite without me even owning it yet. So this color is limited edition, so if you end up liking it, I would get your hands on it now while it's on sale because it's gonna sell out and then we're not gonna be able to buy it anymore. But it comes in this limited edition packaging. It's just a hot pink color. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it does say Christine Leanne, and it has a little heart on it. So cute. And it's just this beautiful nude color. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Oh my gosh. I love this color. If they have this for the VIB sale still and they haven't sold out yet, I think I'm going to buy a backup just because I love this color that much. But that is what the color looks like, and it's called Bun Bun. Okay guys, last but not least, I wanted to show you guys my leggings from Amazon. This wasn't a really big makeup haul. It was just stuff I picked up every now and then and I haven't used yet, so I thought I would show you guys. So the leggings I got from Amazon are from the brand Queenie Key. And I went ahead and just picked up the same ones that I already know I love, and I showed them in my favorites video for this month, and it was just my all white leggings, and they have like a gray pattern. It's called space dye pattern on them, and they're high rise, and I just love them. I wear them so much, and so I thought I would get the same tights in black. And so this is what they look like. They have that space dye pattern, like I said. They have a really thick waistband, which I really like. And I just love the way these feel. They feel very, very silky, so they don't get any cat hair on them, which I love. And they just feel stretchy, and they feel so comfortable. And they're also really awesome to work out in. And since these ones are black, I'm pretty sure they'll be squat proof. I'm going to try them on here in a second, and I'll probably show you guys right now on the screen what they look like on my body. But I'm super excited to have these just because I tried the other Queenie Key ones, the solid colors, and they were all too sheer for me. So this is the only like pattern that I could wear from Queenie Key. All the solid colors are sheer, like I said, but these ones are squat proof, and my white ones are squat proof as well, but only if I wear nude underwear. So that's why I wanted to get the black ones, just so I can know that they are gonna be for sure squat proof and I don't have to wear nude underwear with them. But I'm so excited to have these. I've been waiting for forever for them because I had to return my other leggings that I got from them just to buy these ones. And yeah, this is what the back looks like. I got them in a size small, and I usually wear size 5 in pants, and I'm 5'3", and they are a little bit long, but pretty much everything is long on me because I'm really short. And so yeah, I picked these up. Okay guys, so these are the leggings, and I just wanted to let you guys know that these do fit me looser than the white ones that I have, and they're in the exact same size. So I have no idea like why that is and why the sizing isn't consistent, which is kind of crazy. But I do really love the pattern. I love it so much. I love the color. And when I squat, they are squat proof. I'm not going to squat on camera right now just because I have too many lights to show you guys like that they're actually squat proof, but they are, just trust me. They're super duper long, and they are high rise. I feel like they even come up higher than the other ones, which is crazy that the sizing is off. but I'm gonna keep them. I like them. They do have a drawstring in the inside to make them tighter, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and keep these. I think they're really, really cute. And so yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about the leggings. And so yeah, that's everything I wanted to show you guys today. It was kind of a random haul. I just picked some stuff up here and there, like for 21 Days of Beauty, and then also from Sephora because it was on sale, and then I ordered my leggings, and I just wanted to show you guys just because I love sharing stuff with you guys, and I love hauls. They're my favorite video to film. And yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week. And I've been really on my game lately. I've been filming earlier so I can make sure I have a video up on Monday, because I know Mondays are harder for me to upload, but I've been really on my game lately. And so just because I love YouTube and I want to make sure I keep doing it and you guys have consistent videos. And I'm also even upping my Instagram, and I'm posting on my Instagram every single day, and it's BritanyRaquell, just like my YouTube, if you do want to follow me on there. And yeah, with that being said, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!